Hey, this is Trader Travis, and today's video is sure to mess with a lot of people's head. You know, every time I reveal this truth bomb by email, some people get downright angry with me. Others have this mind-blowing moment, and I hope you have a mind-blowing moment because today's video is about why all, not some, but all option trade alert services are complete scams. That's right, scams. Again, whenever I say that by email, people are like, well, what do you mean they don't work? And well, you know what you're doing. And I thought I could copy off you until I could learn how to do this on my own. And this other guy, has a trade alert service and he posts that his members are making money. But just stick with me. You will completely understand where I'm going with this. So I hope you enjoy today's training. Now, before I begin, let me disclose that I am completely biased, and I'm biased based on my life experience. I have tried trade alerts in the past, several, and they have never worked for me. And I mean, never. You know, the results were inconsistent. You'd make money, then lose it. The service would always have some excuses to why a certain trade didn't work. And then at the end of the day, I always felt helpless. I didn't feel empowered. And it's because they don't teach you. It's like welfare. It's like sitting on your butt, somebody else doing the work, and you have your hand out, right? You're not building any kind of skill set. You don't know how to do anything your own, so you always feel dependent on someone else. It's a very weak and disempowering position to be in, right? Anyway, so I'm biased because they don't work, for me at least. Now, I'll also give three, what I feel are strong, logical facts as to why I don't think anybody can succeed with them. And when I say scam, I mean scam in the fact that it's misleading. It's teaching you and making you believe that it's the path to success. And so what I have right here are some copy I've seen around the web where one guy is selling a service and he's saying, hey, real-time trade alerts, maximize your profits. You'll see my exact trades. You can instantly learn to be a profitable and successful trader, right? Who wouldn't want that? It speaks to the irrational side of us, the emotional side of us, looking for the shortcuts to getting rich. And then you have another one down here, which is a little bit less, where you get daily trade alerts and text and detailed reviews each night. You get access to someone's portfolio. Well, I'm sure you have seen them all across the web. Now, anybody offering a trade alert service, right, a pure trade alert service with no education, what I want you to look for in their material and what I want you to do to email them. And if you're wondering why Travis doesn't offer a trade alert service, here's why. let me come to my website real quick. I'll show you my website. You'll see why I don't offer one, right? It's because I feel it's inauthentic. Because right here, you see my performance where I publicly share my performance each year with everybody. And I say, hey, right now, as of this recording, I'm in a case study, a 5-year case study showing people the 5-year retirement plan my millionaire mentor taught me. And I said, this is the same plan my wife and I followed to become financially independent. And how did I say we did it? High savings, underline, right? Prudent investing and getting out of debt. That's what allowed us to, well, I wouldn't say retire is a tricky word. Let's just use FI because I don't traditionally believe in retirement. I believe in working until I fall over and die. But anyway, that's another story for another day. But you see it here, right? High savings. There's no wealth without savings. So you see that, and then you come over here, right? My website is like saying, hey, you want to lose weight, eat broccoli and work out every day. You're like, yeah, nah, I want to come to this guy's site because this is equivalent of, hey, you can eat a donut every day and still get 6-pack abs, right? Right? But anyway, going back to what I was saying. So email those guys and ask them, how can you offer a service when this is not how you built wealth yourself? Think about that. All the people offering these services anywhere in their material on their website or even email them, ask them, did you become rich following a trade alert service? If they did not, then how in the world can they ethically offer you a service? I can tell you why, because it's a quick way to make money. It's an easy way to make money because that's what everybody wants. If I created a website right now and I sold a book, what is it called? The Donut Diet. And I wrote a book about how to eat donuts every day and get 6-pack abs. Guarantee it will be a bestseller. Not because it actually produces results in people's lives, but because people will be suckered into buying it because that's what everybody wants, right? Everybody wants quick and easy, and I've never discovered that. But I have discovered a proven blueprint to wealth, and I teach it here. But the people who are turned off, but the people who are attracted to this and like hearing truth, right? Even when I put here, there are more crash and burn stories than rags to riches. Why is that? Because again, everybody is attracted to the get rich quick, the trade alert services. When I come with my broccoli and working out, they're like, yeah, that leaves a bad taste in my mouth. I'm going to go somewhere else. But the people who actually can slow down enough and not get their monkey mind seduced into trade, suckering into getting suckered into a trade alert service, get results like this. This is an email from one of my students, and I get a ton of emails like this, right? Hey, we're out of consumer debt, 2 vehicles, RV. All we have left now is our house. Paid in full, hallelujah. And said it was the start of your options course that got us on a mission to remove all of our debt other than our home. Now we only have our home left to pay off, and we'll work on that balance too. And look at the PS. Oh yeah, the option trading is great too, because that's what I'm about. I'm about teaching you about real wealth building. Let me ask you this. Any of these trade alert services you ever signed up for help you get out of debt, help you build wealth? Think about it. Have you signed up for one? Are you rich because of a trade alert service? Have you paid off all of your debt other than your home because of a trade alert service? Okay, that's reason number one. One is the people offering this, that's not how they built their wealth, right? I dare you to find one who said they built their wealth through a trade alert service. That's why I say all trade alert services are a scam, because I've never met a person who said I became a millionaire from a trade alert service. Reason number one why all trade alert services are a scam. Reason number two, let's come over here to the Forbes 400 richest. Okay, this is from Forbes.com, and I'm just going to scroll through real quick and look at the source column at how these people built their wealth. All right, I'm just going to scroll through. You can search for this yourself, the Forbes 400 richest list. What I want you to look for is, you see any trade alert services on there? We're already at number 30. No trade alert services there. Funny, huh? Why? Because through the beginning of time, I've never met a really wealthy person who got wealthy from a trade alert service. If you want to be wealthy, then follow what wealthy people have done before you. All success leaves clues. None of these people, I've read some of their books, I've studied them, ne'er one has said, I built my empire through a trade alert service, right? Through somebody handing me trades without me doing any work on my part. Okay, that's reason number two. Recap, reason number one, the people offering these services, that's not how they got wealthy. That's why it's a scam. Reason number two, the world's richest people, ne'er one of them built their wealth through a trade alert service. And reason number three, have you ever looked at the best-selling books on Amazon? You ever read a book on investing? Here's the bestsellers in option trading here, the top 100. And I'm biased here because number 9 here, the best-selling book, I think it's an excellent book. And some of you are cracking up because this is the book I wrote, right? So I'm completely biased. But let's scroll down. Let's keep moving on here. Look at all these books here. Now think about it. Any book you ever read, any of those books detail their story as to how they became a successful trader through a trade alert service. Now think about it. See, that's logical thinking. When we see this though, logic goes out the window. And that's why these services are so popular, and my service is not, because again, I'm saying, oh, eat some broccoli and work out. People are like, nah, no thanks. That's why these are successful, because all your logic goes out the window and you're thinking pure emotion. I can instantly become a profitable trader by, piggybacking off someone else's success. Nope. I've never seen it, and I've been at this for 20 plus years. And again, just going back here, any book you ever read tell you that was their key to success, detailing our trade alert services. Nope. Any of these guys and gals, excuse me, any of these people here, this is just 100. We can go through the whole 400. You ever read any of them, heard any of their interviews? Did they say they became successful with handouts from other people? And again, last recap is the guys offering this. Now, if this was their key to success, then that's fine. It's not a scam. But I've never seen a trade alert service. I've never seen a sales page where they say, hey, I became a successful trader through a trade alert service. But they do offer it, and I explain why. It's quick and easy money for them, but Travis is about legacy. When I'm on my deathbed, my kids are older, people are going to come to them and be like, you know, your dad changed our family tree. He helped us get out of debt. He showed us how to truly build wealth. And he was always telling the hardcore truth that nobody wanted to hear. Hey, there are more crash and burn stories. Hey, here's the true, tried and true wealth building path that has created more millionaires than option trading combined. High savings, prudent investing, and getting out of debt. Right? I'm about the long game. I'm not about quick and easy riches. I'm here to truly change your life. So take care. Hope you found some value in this. See you in tomorrow's training. Bye-bye.